Hai Dharmanagara BMS Rockni Kwnwi Bodolni Bisingo Kok Banglaimuni Koktuma Kasai Phaijauka Kok Bangmongo Choprokjagai Sangdukho Mankha Khorokta Chashlo Dharmanagara Bharatiya Mazdur Sangho BMS Uttor Hankor Committee Kitingai Or Patilaimuni Koktuma Kasakha Kwnwi Bodolni Bisingo Kok Banglai Choprokmongo Sangdukho Mankha Khorokta Sangdukho Manai Rokno Dharmanagar Hankor Sakamnogo Tubui Phaijakha Patimong Kitingai Sakhamnogni Bwskango Or Nanglaimani Koktuma Ola Koktuma Mani Patima Theo Thang Soja Police Bahaina Police Rock Halogno Methepaya Angai Tongkwchang Tubimaya Angai Lathicharge Bok Phaika Hanai Koktuma Okasaka
Khulumka Hasani Lukurangno, Nogni Bagai, Bilekino Kaham Sep to be Feka, St. Joseph Hospital, West Nobody, Amtali Agartala, West Tripura. Hasane Fatarataya Karino, Hayung Berni Shagdog Nakani Sep Nahari Mano, Belekino Rankisha Bino, or Hospital, Sarbrumno, General OPDO, Sagduk Najago, or Hospital, X-ray, Key, Suti, Cough Test, Clearly Bagay Namoshak Shep Shap Tongo, they test Cry Rizago. O hospital hati bar thugine eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St. Joseph Hospital talburum na chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital latest technology by dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non-AC room nawi shakduk najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai faidi kaham hayong bemni shakduk sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebashina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala, is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisha Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai Specialist Dr. Hayor Treatment Khaipayo, Kwnwi Hospital of Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaimanani Bagay, Tin Hospital of Hayi visit Kalaimano, Hambai.